In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label several Trello cards at once. Start by going to Atlassian and making sure you're logged into your account, so you can access Trello without interruptions. Once you're in, open the Trello board, where the cards you want to organize are located. This is important because all the labeling will happen directly inside that board. Now jump into the first card you want to update by clicking to open it. Inside the card, look for the Labels option and click it. From here, you can either create a new label if you haven't made one yet, or select an existing label if it's already available on your board. Labels are useful for visually grouping cards, so this is a simple way to make your board easier to scan and manage. After you've created or selected the label for that first card, close the card to go back to the board. Then open the next card you want to label. Again, click Labels, and this time choose the same label you used before. That applies the same category or marker to this new card. From here, continue the same process for every other card you want to update. Open the card, click Labels, select the same label, and close the card when you're done. Trello does not provide a built-in bulk action here in this workflow, so the key is simply applying the label manually to each card one by one. It's straightforward, and once you get into the rhythm, it goes pretty quickly. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A helpful tip while doing this is to keep your board organized before you start, so you can move through the cards in a clear order and avoid missing any. It can also help to decide on the label name and color ahead of time when you first create it, because that makes the rest of the process faster and more consistent. If you're using labels for priorities, project stages, or task types, consistency really matters so everyone on the board understands what each label means at a glance. So to recap the workflow, you log in, open your board, open a card, click Labels, create or choose the label, then repeat that same action on each additional card. You'll need to open each card and apply the label manually, but that's the method for labeling several Trello cards using this approach. And that's it. Congratulations, your Trello cards are now labeled and much easier to organize.